Give it to me! It's my turn!
Oh no, Polly! I get to play first!
Breaking news! A tsunami is coming to the city! This is a disaster! We are all going to die! Ah! Tsunami in our city? Did you see that? Ah! That's a horror, Jack! We're dead!
So, we can't run away from the tsunami, but we can hide in our basement. Go first. Come on. Polly, how are you there? Ah! It's already here.
Be careful, Jack! Did it! This basement is pretty cute. A bit dirty, though. Ew! Webs! And spiders, too! It's too much! I have to clean everything here! Jack, I need water right now!
Hey, sister, there's a lot of water upstairs.
Jack, don't do it! It's dangerous! Are you okay?
Yes, sis. You can start cleaning. We have an uninvited guest here.
Jack, it's just a fish!
You won't swim away from me! I'll catch you!
It's just Jack! Oh well, let him play! And the big girls can do the cleaning! Well, now we're talking!
Wow, Polly! You're a magician!
Thanks, Jack!
Hey, fish! Stop it!
Oh, Jack! Now let's move things around! The basement will become even more cozy! Jack, take it! Wait, look what I found!
Wow! So mysterious, right?
What if we open this door? Push it up, Jack!
I'm trying, sis! Uh-oh! There's been a little accident! No problem! We'll fix it right now! Good old chewing gum always helps!
Great, Jack! Let's go! Everything seems to be in order now. But it is better not to touch this door. The basement is safe again.
Polly, did you see that? Maybe we can make ourselves a comfortable sofa? Let's remove the spider webs first.
Jack, help me!
I'm on my way, sis! The seat is ready! Only the back is missing! And here it is! Put in place! It turned out well! But the sofa needs to be soft! What do we do?
Oh! Where is this from? So soft! Let's make upholstery out of them!
Got it, Polly! Let's start!
Staple them on!
Nice! But this fluffy blanket will be on top!
I love it, Jack! We forgot about pillows! Lovely, right?
Oh, wow!
Woohoo! But we're not done cleaning yet! These flowers will now be here! Wow! Jack, did you see this? We have our own window into the underwater world! Fascinating! Illuminator is better than any TV! So, wait here! There are so many interesting things in the secret room! There are even toys!
Everyone, put your seatbelts on! The champion is here to win! Vroom! Oops! This is speeding! Now you need a spare tire! Great! It's already here! Why won't we make a table out of an old tire? Challenge accepted! Master Jack gets to work! Paint first, and then decorate! This will be a donut table! Style comes first! Now colored paper! Cut! Go on! The topping is ready! Decorate our donut!
Jack, what are you doing here?
You were just in time, Polly! Put box is here, and our table will be on top!
Jack, it's so cool! But it still needs a countertop, right? That's better! All the trinkets will fit on the table! It's so useful! Jack, did you hear that? Oh God! I'm scared! What's in there?
Calm down, sis! Let's find out now! So this is Huggy Wuggy! Don't eat us! We are good! But Huggy has a lot to do! He doesn't have time to hide in a bunker! He's gone! There's so much cool stuff in the trunk!
Jack, we need this!
We'll decorate the wall with lights and rainbow springs. Do you like it? The old cellar basement looks amazing.
Wow.
Great designers work here.
Wow.
But there are still plenty of surprises in the secret room. Polly, now we can do sports. This trainer is like new. Try to catch up, sister.
I won't, Jack. I still have to do my hair.
Hey.
Oh, what's wrong?
I said work. Maybe something is wrong with the power? Time to check. Nothing. The hairdryer is good for nothing. But she does have a brother who loves biking. Jack, I need electricity right now.
No problem, Polly. Wow, it works. The laws of physics works even during the apocalypse. Now it will always be light here. But getting electricity is so tiring.
Jack, my phone is dead. Get back on the bike.
Oh.
When will the tsunami be over? It's so boring in the secret bunker. Even our favorite console is not here.
Polly, I have an idea.
What are you up to, Jack?
You'll see.
Hey, watch out!
Dawn, how do you like my invention? And don't forget the remote.
This will change the world of science. Let's do a craft TV test. What's on the program guide today? Let's turn on the news.
The weather is about to get better. Stay strong, everyone. Thank you so much. Hooray! A great excuse to listen to music. And now there's hot Latin music on air. Come on.
Hey.
Enough dancing for today. Shall we watch a movie? There's an apocalypse movie on TV. A terrible tsunami in the city. But the main characters are not afraid of anything. They also built a secret room in the basement. You won't get bored with the TV, but it would be better if there was a refrigerator with food in this basement.
Hello, we want the biggest pizza. Address to the secret basement, of course. The delivery is already here.
Polly, I'll take it.
Hey, we're here. Swim. Make yourself at home. Just give me the pizza.
Wow, you guys are so nice. You are lucky. But I have to work. Enjoy your meal.
Oh, yes. Dinner is already here. Can you really eat this pizza? Don't panic, Jack. We'll dry it off. Done. Enjoy your meal. So delicious. Everyone, move! This is where the champion does sports. Jack, would you like a snack?
Sure, sis. Chips. There's an idea. An empty can be useful. Soon it will turn into a golf hole. Cut out a hole for the ball. And then put tape here. And add some decor. It looks like a tiny house. It must have a roof. The flag is in the right place.
Jack, I'm already here. Take it.
Great idea, Polly. We'll make a whole golf course. Remove all extra stuff. Now there will be a green lawn. Put the hole here. And let's start the game.
Jack, I'm first. It's my idea.
Okay, Polly. Go ahead. Now. Got it. Not bad, Polly. But you can't beat me. Now Jack will show you how to do it. He is a real pro. Come on.
Jack, something's wrong. Oh, stop that ball. It got mad.
Come on. Ouch. It hurts. There are uninvited guests in the secret room. Who is it? Ladies and gentlemen, newspaper delivery. Have a nice day.
Look, there is no water behind the door.
That's right, Polly. What's on the news? Yay! The tsunami is over. Sis, we have to get out of here. Come on.
There's a surprise waiting for Jack and Polly at home. It seems that a tsunami went through here.
We're saved, Polly.
Oof, we should do cleaning now.
Well, no. Video games are better. I want to go first.
No, Jack. Ladies first. Surviving a tsunami is very easy. All you need is a secret basement and a great helper. Spending a vacation at home is a real crime. We want to go to the beach. What do you think, Jane? This is where we're going to tan. Nice place, Lily. We got lucky with the weather, didn't we? Jane, I think we're in trouble. There's a hurricane coming. Where are we, Jane? Wow, I don't know, Lily. But it's beautiful here. You're right. Let's stop right here and build a raft, too. But first, we have to look around. There's so much to see. Old tire tubes? That's what we need. Yes, Lily. And look what I found here. Tools. It's a real building treasure. Let's get to work. These boards will definitely come in handy. Let's put the boards in a row. That's quite enough. The raft will be huge. And we need more planks to hold the base together. Cut it up, and we put it on the sides. It looks impressive. And now the screwdriver comes into play. Easy peasy. Don't forget about me, Lily. Here you go. Jane is a born builder. And there will be a couple more beams in the center of the raft. Let's turn the foundation upside down and continue to create. Now we make a wooden frame. Stick to the plan. We will need metal corners. Watch and learn, Lily. Attach the corners with a screwdriver on both sides.
Wow.
You got it. The beams are already in place, so we can connect them from above. Good job. But it looks kind of flimsy. What do we do? Don't panic. Use lots of screws. Perfect. Now it's nice and tight. And the crossbar will be right there. Here you go, Lily. We did it. Oh, yes, Lily. That came out pretty good. But we're not done yet. We need more space. Ready? Let's move our bed. Now there's plenty of room for creativity. I wonder what else is in here. Buckets. That'll do. And Jane has found something cool. There's a lot of decorations in this trunk. Jane, we'll make bright poofs. Let's do this. First, we paint the buckets, blue and green. And then we'll make the seats. Place the planks crosswise. Almost done. It remains to add softness. Lily, what about making a table too?
Wow.
And we've got legs. We'll make them out of bamboo sticks. And we can use a plastic box instead of a tabletop. Our furniture should be as bright as possible. Wow! Do you like it, Jane?
Yes.
You bet, Lily. Now we put the tabletop on its legs, and we attach it with cable ties. You don't even need screws. And this rope will make a nice decoration. It's time to clean up. And now the main character enters the scene. The wooden raft. It's not very colorful. What color should we paint it? How about white? That's an excellent choice. White goes great with the sea. It's not an easy job, but Lily and Jane are not afraid of difficulties. That's what teamwork means. We did it, Jane. Way to go. But it's too early to relax. The builders can always find something to do. This mesh can be used to make a designer rug.
Wow.
We just have to shape it first.
Okay.
This is a great idea. And now we take the supplies of tulle out of the trunk. We cut it into strips and pass them through the mesh. That's so creative. And the fish is ready to swim. We forgot something, Jane. Where are we going to sleep? Here's a creative idea. Instead of a bed, we'll use a mattress. It's a bed on the water, after all. But we need to inflate it first. Easy! Let's pretend we're doing outdoor fitness. Faster! Faster! Phew! We did it! Lily, hold on! This bed is missing something. A fancy headboard. Nice idea. And the main part is already in place. Just cover it with foam rubber and put a nice piece of fabric on top. Stay awake, Lily. We need staples. Already done. The headboard is gorgeous, but let's make it even more exquisite. Let's rope it up. And now let's put it together. It's time to go for a swim. Can't do without the tires here. Inflate them and attach them to the base from the backside. Make sure the ropes are strong. We don't want to be shipwrecked. Cast the anchor. Jane, the raft works. Okay, now let's set up this space. The seashell bed will go right here. Where are you, Lily? Catch this, Jane. Great, the bed is in place. How about a nap? Lily, get up! This is no time to be lazing around. Lily, it's so hot in here, isn't it? I know what to do. Jane, we need a canopy. Give me a hand. Voila! Welcome to the shade. The sun won't bother us anymore. Do you like it, Lily? The mirror? That's useful. But it doesn't blend in the interior at all. What do we do now? Search for sea treasures, obviously. I believe in you, Lily. You can do it. Done. A very rich catch. Jane, look what I have. Wow, Lily, you're a wizard. No magic, just skills. This is not a mirror, but a work of nautical art. Right, where should I put it? That's where the table comes in handy. I like it. Sea-inspired furniture. Total harmony. Now, even when swimming, you can look your best. But we're not done with the decor. Let's put out the poofs and lay the fish rug. Add some coziness to the nautical interior. Maybe there is something else useful in the sea? Seaweed, Jane! How about adding some green to the interior? Not a bad idea. Green is so refreshing. You can also make a swing. It's very simple. Attach a rope and a board to the ceiling. Pull it up and tie it. Jane, we could use this. Wow! Cardboard vines. Let's use them to decorate the ropes. This vacation becomes fabulous. But it wouldn't hurt to get something to eat. Right! We need a barbecue area. Let's make one. We won't need the handle from the frying pan anymore. And Lily will cut the grate to size. We attach the frying pan to the rim. Lily, we did a good job. The night sea is fabulous. This landscape is mesmerizing. We need more light, Lily. Let's see what's in the trunk. Light bulbs. That's what we need. And Lily has a whole garland. We take the metal top off the bulb, and inside we put the garland. Continue in the same way until we have enough bulbs. Wow! The new lights are so bright. Let's hang them right under the ceiling. The atmosphere is magical. Now our floating house can be seen from afar. The new day is in full swing. Time to get up. And we can't do without morning yoga. Hey, Jane, how'd you sleep? But you can't meditate on an empty stomach. Jane, do we have anything tasty? Oh, no! But we have a net and the sea. Wait, just a second. And Jane is already at the target. That's a decent catch. Seafood for breakfast. What could be better? Fire up the barbecue and put the clams on the grill. Jane, how much longer? Be patient, Lily. Almost there. I think we can take it off. Enjoy it, Lily. It's been a really long day. You can sunbathe and swim. And no hurricanes in sight. And when water fun gets boring, you can relax on the swings or doll up in front of the mirror. May this vacation never end!